How are you today?
Sir, I am fine today by the grace of Almighty Allah. And how about you?
I'm
Uh,
also
uh,
fine. So, where are you from?
I am originally from Noakhali at Sonaimuri Thana, which is the most beautiful and richest district in Bangladesh, you can say.
Okay, what do you do?
I am a job holder and I am a AutoCAD designer.
You have spent 2 months with us, and how do you feel after spending 2 months?
Yes, I feel very glad. And before coming here, I didn't make a sentence, but now I can speak fluently. And because of you, because of Rahat English Care, which is giving me good opportunities to improve my communication skills, and now I can speak English fluently.
Okay. Do you love all the teachers of Rahas English?
Yeah, obviously, I teachers. I love Rahat sir also. He's my inspiration. He always motivated me, and after coming here, he all time give me motivation, motivated me all time, and also Saddam sir, Kayum sir. They are very fantastic, and I am very gratitude to them.
Okay, where's your future plan, actually?
My future plan is I want to be a professional freelancer.
How did you know about Rahas English here before coming here?
Before coming here, I watch social media. I know by social media. I saw many videos of Prahat sir of you, and that video inspired me to come here. And I thought that time I should go Rahat English Care for improving myself, for skill my communication, and that's why I came here. And after coming here, I feel very good. And Rahat English Care all time surrounded the environment.
That means you love this environment.
Yeah, I love very much. We can't we could talk Bangla because when we talk Bangla, we have to pay 10 taka per sentence, and that's the great environment to speak in English, learning speaking English.
Wow. So, what do you do in your free time?
Basically, I do free time. I watch some Islamic videos, and I want to spend time with my friends and families. I go out for outing for uh, dinner someday, and I like reciting poem, and when I get free time, I recite a poem. And
What's your favorite subject, actually?
my favorite subject is English, because I know English is very important in our life, because English can improve our communication skill. English, when we speak English, it's very inspired us, and English is international language.
Do you love traveling?
Yes, I love traveling very much. When I get free time, I go for Cox's Bazar sometimes. But traveling is my hobby. And I think when I be a rich man, that time my dream is to traveling Europe and many
Okay.
beautiful places.
Okay, are you married?
Yes, sir, I'm married. I have two children.
How do you spend time with them?
Yeah, I spend time when I get free time. I will try to spend time with them. And now I am at Rahat English Care, that so I can't spend time with them, but because of 3 months is very important for me. And when I get free time, I go for outing, go for travel visit with them, and that's moment are fantastic for me. I try to spend with them, my family, and
Okay, who is your favorite person?
uh, my favorite person is now is Rahat sir, because he many times he motivated me. I saw him as a hardworking person, which is the most inspire me. If I want to, or if I wish I want to be like him, because he's very hardworking person, and now is my favorite person.
Okay, thank you very much. Your speaking test is over. I'm very happy to talk to you.
Thank you,
And
sir.